today we will be testing the combined moving averages plus squeeze and volume.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the combined moving averages plus squeeze and volume. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 818 indicators, with 332 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 25 of the winning indicators. 9 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the combined moving averages plus squeeze and volume. And you can see it here on screen. There is quite a few different things visually going on with this indicator. There is probably a few different ways you can trade this particular indicator. But the creator of the indicator specifically notes the signals as one of the ways that you can trade this indicator. And so the signals here, you can see these tags right here, this tag here, so green tag, and we have these red tags right here. And so the way we're going to test it, and we might test this one a couple of different ways. Now, there is definitely more ways you can test this particular indicator. It isn't only this way, and some of the visual components of this indicator don't necessarily play in with the signals here that we are looking at. But what we are going to do is we are going to look for these red tags here, and we are going to look for the price action where it is in relation to this line right here. So this long line right here is going to be a moving average. Let's see, it's probably the 500 period moving average. And so that's going to be kind of the filter as to what direction we are going to take. Let's see. All right, so we're going to keep those signals on there. We're going to turn everything off, like I said, except for this big moving line and these signals right here. So when we get a red signal, we are looking for price to be below this moving average right here. That will be a valid short signal. When price is above this moving average here and we get a green signal, that will be a valid signal to then go long. So that's how we're going to test it today. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is going to be this long signal right here. And you can see that we get that tag that we're looking for right there, that green tag, and we are above this moving average here. You can see that we get a little bit of a pullback here, or I guess it's more than a little bit, a decent little pullback here. We had to push back to the upside. It isn't quite enough to get us up there to our take profit before then rolls over and pushes down again and comes down, and on this wick right here, it actually wicks down and does hit our stop. Then we pick up another buy signal right here. Let's go ahead and play it forward and see what we get out of this one. And it looks like we're gonna get stopped out on that one as well. Maybe, let's see, what are we looking for? 140 is what we're looking for. Hit our take profit, and yep, we kind of come up short of the 140, and we get that kind of roll over and push down there, which definitely comes down and hits our stop. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that is going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of these channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of those channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel here set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader posting charts like this of the Forex market, where he has marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. You see kind of channels that he's drawn out, and just kind of general Forex analysis. Now, since it's getting close to the holidays, he hasn't posted anything recently in the last couple of days just because he is on vacation. But these are examples when the Forex market is open, normal times, then he is posting charts like this pretty much every single day. Some of our other members are also posting charts. These are different trades that they have taken or analysis of the markets that they have done. And here's an example of a P&L of one of our members here. Really great kind of breakdown visualization of one of the strategies one of our members are using, and just in general, great environment to be a part of. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody is giving everybody advice, really supporting each other, and just helping everybody grow, become better, giving great knowledge, posting videos and such. And so highly recommend that you join us and part of the community here, help grow your trading knowledge. All right, back to our indicator here. All right, let's go ahead and squeeze this back here, and let's count these out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 winning trades, and we have 1 and 2 winning trades. So we have 2 winning trades there. Obviously, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so, like I said, we might play around with this indicator a few other ways to see what we can get out of it. I know there are a few different ways we can attempt to trade this indicator to see if we can get better results. Obviously, just taking these tags alone, these buy sell tags here, with using a overall kind of trend direction, didn't seem to work out too well. And so for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.